want to start a work from home job. I want to work remotely. How do I go about it? What do I need to know? Hey people, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. It's so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Yeah, as you know, this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel where I talk about business ideas that you can start, ways you can grow your business, how you can monetize your skills, and of course, being an entrepreneur myself, on this channel I talk about products, software, platform that makes the journey easy for me. Does this sound interesting? Would you want to be part of my community? You're welcome to join this great community. So all you need to do is subscribe, and once you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch my videos, and not only watch, you would always share my videos. It's so much fun while we make money. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your comments, thank you for your emails, thank you for sharing, and thank you for being part of my journey. So like I said in my last upload, that I will be talking about websites that offers work from home job where you could work remotely, and I can assure you that these websites are legitimate, though I still implore you to make your own findings. Be sure this is a website that you really want to work for. Be sure that their rules, their policies conforms with your belief and what you really want to do. Okay, so let's go right into today's video. In today's video I'll be talking about what to watch out for as you start your remote job. Like so many people, this video is actually in response to some emails I've received about work from home job. How does it really happen? Is it possible? Like how can they go about it? So first thing first, let's just establish the fact that I am talking to people that are new, like people that are starting remote job for the first time. There's always a first time to every journey. The most important thing is starting that journey. Okay, and there are so many people I know that they've worked from home all their working life. Please, working from home, you need to be prepared emotionally and physically. And ExtraStepsCeo, what do you mean by physical and emotional preparedness? Like emotional in the sense that you do not have co-workers around you, don't have your colleagues, you don't have a supervisor, you are your own boss at that time that you're working in the confines of your home. So we're looking at it from the point of view of you're working remotely for a company, so you don't have a boss immediately that could help you with some things, or a supervisor that you can talk to immediately, like, okay, I am stuck here, I'm attending to a customer and this is what the customer needs. So you need to be prepared emotionally that you are on your own. Then physically, in the sense that you are in the confines of your home. Are you ready to sit down all day in that same environment? Like you slept and you woke up and you're up and around working. These are things you need to be prepared for. Right, that's out of the way. The next thing you need to do, which is very, very important, is prepare your resume, prepare your CV. Most of these work from home jobs are either customer service, data entry, sales rep, like you could sell goods and services online for people. So your resume should be ready. First thing first, you're new and you don't want to put yourself out like you don't know what you're doing, or like you've not worked with something. So your resume should conform with whatever you're applying for. All right, so after this is out of the way, then let's talk about factors to consider now. The first factor, talking about the pros and cons of working from home. The first thing is the flexibility. Yes, that's one of the pros. Like, oh, you have all the time in the world. That's if you're not working a schedule. But for some work from home jobs, they are scheduled, so there's still limited flexibility. But then it's still flexible though. And talking about flexibility, please, you need to be reliable. That's why these websites want to work with you. reliability, like, okay, we are not there, what can you do? Are you sure you will not just do your own thing while you should be working for us? Okay, so you have, as much as there's flexibility, you have to put yourself out as reliable, like they can always count on you. You're not using their work hours for your own personal thing. You should have a dedicated workspace. You don't want to wake up on your bed and start work immediately. Well, some work release space, maybe a place to put your laptop or a place to put your desktop, a place to put a phone. So prepare within your house a quiet place, far away from distraction. This is very, very important, because sometimes in the course of your work, you could have to do some web calls, some Skype calls, and nobody wants to see an environment that is not conducive. Like, nobody wants to call in and see that where you are is not a conducive environment, or like it's not a work environment. Like, don't don't paint a picture of, oh, I'm in my house, I have the liberty to do anything. No, have a dedicated work environment, far away from distraction, and set boundaries. What do I mean by set boundaries? You're also, you're working, let every member of your family, like, let everybody know that this is my work hours. I don't want distractions. So that's why you need to set boundaries, like, or this is workspace, I don't want anyone near that. So that there are some type of remote jobs that you are privileged to handle some confidential information, so you don't want anyone to see this, or else you could be held liable for breach of confidentiality. So set boundaries, as in clear boundaries. While working from home is not a time to do other things. Like I said, you need to be reliable, as in these companies, they need to find you reliable. Otherwise, it's easy for them to get you out, like, okay, you are not performing optimally, and next exits. And nobody wants to start a job today and get out of the job tomorrow. Another thing that you need to do is track your time, because working from home can make it impossible to have a clear cut between your work and your leisure. So in order not to get burnt out, please always track your time. Know when to start, know when to take your break, know when to sign off. Especially this with people doing their own job, like you're independent business owner. You need to set your time. There should be a work-life balance. Like, don't get burnt out. It's very, very important for you to perform optimally, for your productivity level to be high. Please set a work routine for yourself that works for you. And sometimes some of these remote jobs have their own schedule that you have to follow to the latter. These are things you need to find out as well when you're making inquiry about the job. That's before starting the job. So know if there will be breaks, know the cutoff time. Like, set clear time for yourself, please. This is very, very important, because especially when you're new, there's a tendency to be carried away easily. Like, before you know it, you are so drowned in the work that you don't even have time for yourself again. This is not healthy. As much as you can, take out work within the house. You can set up a workspace that you could stand or sit. It's all for productivity level. Do your stretches, work out, make exercises for yourself. I would say this in conclusion: in order to enjoy your remote work, in order to enjoy your work from home, especially if you are new, please be mindful of the fact that social interaction is important as well. From time to time, try to check out what's happening in the corporate organization. Like, check your company's mail regularly. Look for updates, like what's new, what's happening. Please, social interaction is very, very important. Then, in the course of the job, prioritize which of this is more important. Is it picking these calls or sending these emails? Know what is important. Like, which one do I want to do first? Which one do I want to do next? That's very, very important. Prioritize. These are things remote employer look out for when they try to see if they should still keep you on the job or not. So prioritize, and if there's anything, if you need help, always know the right tools you need to apply. These are things you need to familiarize yourself with as soon as you get the job. Or if you're working remotely, there are so many people would love you to share your experience in the comment section. Let us know what more we can do to make working from home experience a whole lot better and easier, especially for new people. Really love to interact in the comment section. So in my next video, I'll be sharing on websites where you could start your remote job, where you could get remote jobs, and I would also be sharing their requirements and what you need to know or what you need to do to start on these websites. Okay, until I come again the next one, thank you so much. And my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your comments, and please keep the emails coming in. And if you are coming across the ExtraStepsCeo for the first time, if you are seeing this face for the first time, please, and you see that this content is something you really want to identify with, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will always come back to watch, share, and like. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye now. Money for your productivity, for your still employ you to make your do I still employ you to make your own? So like I said, reliability,